Please make sure to save your kits and your data before updating to version 2. This is how to update Roland TD-17 version 2. Insert the SD card to the Roland TD-17 sound module. Press Setup, scroll down to SD card, press Enter, scroll down to Format SD card, press Enter, press Execute and press Enter button. On your computer, download Roland Cloud Manager. Sign up for a new account if you don't have, or you can sign in if you already have an account. Go to Hardware and Instruments, Drums and Percussion, choose TD-17 and download the update. Copy the TD-17 upa.bin to your formatted SD card. Insert the SD card to the Roland TD-17 sound module. Press and hold the record button while turning on the power. Press the record button to begin the update. Once the update is complete, please turn off the power and turn on the power again. Press the Execute button to factory reset with user sample and press Enter to begin. The Roland TD-17 sound module has been successfully updated to version 2.